Features of dual hook hoists: electric chain hoist with dual hooks. 1. Compact design, lightweight and space efficient, making it suitable for tight workspaces. 2. Multiple hook positions. Dual hooks provide stability and allow for even load distribution. 3. Variable speed control, enables precise lifting and lowering of loads. 4. Overload protection, safety features to prevent lifting beyond the hoist's capacity. 5. Durability, typically constructed with robust materials for extended service life. 6. Easy installation, simplified mounting and setup processes. Electric wire rope hoist with dual hooks. 1. High load capacity, designed for lifting heavier loads, often exceeding 100 tons. 2. Longer lifting height, capable of lifting loads to greater heights compared to chain hoists. 3. Enhanced stability. Dual hooks improve load stability during lifting. 4. Safety features, includes limit switches, emergency stop, and overload protection. 5. Rugged construction, built to withstand harsh industrial environments. 6. Smooth operation, offers quiet and efficient lifting, reducing wear and tear. Both types of dual hook hoists provide unique features tailored to specific lifting needs, enhancing safety and efficiency in various applications.